Hey people, here's how you're going to check your rubric on Blackboard. So you're going to sign into your Blackboard page. You're going to click content to go find the assignment. We scroll down, the assignment we're working on today. Ooh, someone just knocked on my door. Romeo and Juliet writing formative number 1. Go ahead and click that. Then over here on this side, I just uploaded the rubric, so yours will actually just look like your essay because that's what you turned in. Over here you have a rubric. So when you click on that rubric, you're going to see all the different skills broken down. This might look kind of complicated, but I promise you I did this for a reason to make it easier for you. If you put this, let's do this. If we put this side by side with the actual rubric, you'll see that each skill lines up. So see how this says RL7, and then you have these 3 skills. Chose evidence, explain the differences, explain demonstrations. So if you look on this rubric, it says RL7, included evidence, included differences, included similarities. So you can see that this rubric lines up exactly with this rubric. So on yours, there will be a box that's blue, and that will indicate your score. So if for example, for this one, you included specific evidence and you met the criteria, this will be blue. So if you earned a 3 or 4 on a skill, that means you don't need to do anything else with it. You're done. You already showed mastery. If you see that this box here where it says revise for this skill, if that one is highlighted, then that means that's something you're going to have to work on. In order to make it simple for you to know what to work on, we added descriptions over here. So let's say you did not master this skill right here. You didn't include specific evidence. So you got a 0 on that skill. Oh, did you hear that? That was my dog sneezing. Okay, so if you didn't master this skill, here's what you need to do to master that skill. So like if we were in class, this is what I would ask you to help you improve that part of your work. That goes all the way down the line. So usually you would just have 1 score for each category, but to make it easier for you to know exactly what skills to work on, that's why I split them up. So you'll see there's 3 skills for RL7, just like on here there's 3 skills for RL7. RL9, there's 1 skill, there's that one. And then we scroll down, for W2, there's 4 different skills. So then when you scroll down, you'll see the 4 different W2 skills. So when you go to revise your work, I'm not asking you to rewrite the whole thing. I'm asking you to figure out which parts of the rubric were you not successful on yet and add those in. One of the common things that I noticed was that some of you didn't include a claim. I can tell from what you wrote that you have an idea of what your claim is. Like it seems like you're making some type of argument, but you just didn't put the claim in your writing. So if you didn't have that claim, make sure it's in there. And because it's a claim, it's your argument, you want to include that at the beginning of your response. You have some freedom. You can figure out what that looks like as long as you are creating persuasive writing. But that's the practice that we all need to be doing when it's coming to that type of writing. If you have specific questions, let me know. I don't want this to feel extra difficult. I know it's a little like there's a lot more pieces, but that's just to try to make it easier for you to identify what you need to work on, not because I want you to feel overwhelmed. So if you're looking at this and you're like, what the heck are you talking about? Send me a message on Remind or send me an email and let me know that you're confused, because what I can then do is I can go in and open up your specific rubric and I can make a video and help you through your specific rubric. So please talk to me if you need extra help. I think that's it for this video. Okay, good luck. I'm proud of you and I will talk to you soon.